In this video, we're going to cover a do-it-yourself kit for door cups. Inside the package, you have included 4 individual cup pieces, one of which we've already cut into a shape that will fit this particular vehicle. You're going to need, from your local pharmacy or grocery store, 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol. You can just put a little bit on any cloth of your choice. Take your index finger and clean aggressively, moving to your thumb on the top, back to the index finger, or whatever works for you. Clean aggressively behind the door edge, or the door cup, and on the top to avoid any debris coming down, using a dry portion of the towel to make it clean and debris free. Once you've done that, you can take your door cup along with your isopropyl alcohol and just coat it. This is going to give you a small amount of lubricant. And I'm showing you to do this without a sprayer so that you can do it with simple tools from your house. Go ahead and pour some alcohol above the door handle. When you're handling this film, it's important to always keep your fingers lubricated with the alcohol so that you don't leave fingerprints on your adhesive. And the alcohol is going to give you nice lubrication so that you can move this piece around. Go ahead and put it in the center. Take a butyl black rubber squeegee, works really well for this, with your index and middle finger. Place it in the middle of the door cup, pushing firmly and sliding down. Hold it in place and slide up. The nice thing about using the isopropyl rubbing alcohol is it gives you some adjustment to slide around, even during squeegeeing. Take your squeegee and put it behind the door and bend it to contour and push out your liquid. Same thing on this side. You can do that again. Take your squeegee, contour it, and go ahead and push out any of your product. Take your squeegee and your fingers from the top and push down towards the bottom. Taking your finger, another method like this, and scooping away. If you happen to have an area that does not stay down with either of these methods, you can simply take your towel of your choice, preferably a lint-free one, and just kind of dry around. Once you dry it, what's happening is there's no water on the edge, and you'll have a clean, clear install.